Alright everybody, we are walking to Aquarius on this river walk, Colorado River. Just coming over from Edgewater, and we're gonna check out Aquarius. See if I can do a walkthrough here. Follow me as we walk in this 116 degree heat. Jesus, hot. Here we go, Aquarius. Hopefully I have enough battery life to record this. Let's see how it is. Whew. Oh my goodness, AC feels great. Excuse me, thank you.
You what?
So, here we are. Right when you walk in from the river walk from Edgewater, got a bunch of the old Game Kings on the right, some newer slots on the left, and there is the Cove Bar and Lounge. Oh, it's an oyster bar. Oh, snaps. Okay, it's good to know. I might have to come here to eat. Alright, here we go. Right next to that oyster bar is the sports book, sports betting area. There you go. Yeah. Okay. It's pretty big and open here.
Sure, guys. Hopefully, it's not read the code because this is where she's fighting.
Wow. Still got the reward center right here on the left. Don't mind my mumbling. I am hot. Okay, let's take a look. More copyright music. All right. Background might have to be taken out, so you probably just hear me talking. Oh, pinata game. They got crapless craps here. Ooh, and then they have the roll to win over there. We'll walk over there after. But oh, it's $1 minimum crapless here. Amazing. Amazing. Wow, look at this. That is nice here. It's big. We got a food court over there. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to walk through here. Well, like I said, hopefully I have enough battery life. Yeah. Well, they got a bar in the middle. Wheel of Fortune. The gift shop, Subway, McDonald's, and Duet Coffee and Wine. Yeah. So I guess this is where the main entrance is to the hotel. It's a True Rewards here, so look at the decor. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright, let's continue this clockwise tour. I'm going to zigzag through the middle here so you can see all the games. All the old three-reel games over here. Outback Steakhouse over in the corner. Table games in the middle. And it looks like they have stadium games over here too. Yeah, they got stadium games. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. They got a lot of everything here. I don't know if I can walk through everything. It's too much to see. Yeah, this is a lot to walk through. Hotel check-in over here, and then right across from all the slot machines. Alright, here. I'll hold the camera like this so you can see. Alright. The decor here is nice. It is big. I'll just continue to go clockwise and then I'll zigzag through the middle after. And over this corner, they have a restaurant called Pickup Sticks. Which is closed. I wonder why. People around here don't like Asian food. Who knows? Who knows? You know what? I'm gonna go upstairs so you can get an overview of this place. BRB. Let's go up the escalators and then we'll go up and do an overview of the top real quick. There you go. The top view. Not much you can see here. But yeah, it is. Alright, let's go back down. Okay, here we go. Back to the walking tour. Look at this section here where all old games are. Got a lot of good food, a lot of restaurants here. Might have to check out. Look at the oyster bar here. I'm gonna check that out later. Alright, let's continue the counterclockwise tour of the outside area and then we'll go on the inside. What is this? Splash. Steak and eggs for $13.99. Oh, wee. Steakhouse. So table games right here. I'm gonna walk back over and crisscross through the middle so you can see all the games. Stadium games. Decor. Nice. Yeah, decor. Check it out. Stadium games. I don't know what the minimum bet is. Minimum bet's $3. Cashman bingo. That's where I was at over there, so I'm gonna crisscross in here. Hopefully I can catch all the games. Colorful in here. Oh, look at this. I haven't seen this one. Unruly Riches. Has anybody played this before? Unruly Riches. Oh, actually, I did play this. No, I forgot. We played that a long time ago. Alright, let's crisscross through the middle here. Good. People can walk around, especially people in wheelchairs. Alright, let's go take a walk over by the crabless bubble crabs and see what the minimum is on that. So here's the bar area. Again, Zodiac Bar. And I think this section over here on the right is non-smoking. It's weird how they have it like in the middle of the casino. It's like everybody around is smoking. And over here is not smoking. Still smell the smoke here though. That's your casino walkthrough. Hopefully I got everything. I think. I know there's probably some areas that I missed. I'll probably do another walkthrough again. Maybe it's built though. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's go check out Crapless for $1. I might have to sit down and play. So here's the table games. Crapless bubble crabs. And they have the roll to win over here, made by a ruse. Roulette. Alright everybody, thank you for tuning in. That is Ameristar. I mean, Aquarius. My boy, he bought it one time and I could